Draper?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mommy. Yeah, okay.
What do you want to eat this morning?
I want Chick-fil-A. No. I want Chick-fil-A. No. Okay,
Let's package some body butter shipments. Set that in there. And then I have half a cup. Go over top. Oh, it bussin'. It's bussin'. And then that to seal it. It's bussin' though. It's busted. And then I want to wrap it again. One more. Just like don't want air to get in. Okay. All right, let's go to the post office and send them actually. Yeah, it's one. So I'll just go to like an inside facility and hopefully they'll keep them indoors until they're ready to go. Heading to the post office. I want Sonic pretzels, but we're going to the post office. You guys want to go for a... What did you do?
I knocked it.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Be careful. Move your feet, love. Move your feet. Pedal.
No.
That's very good at pushing your bike. Sit down and ride it. You're just going ahead. Good job. Slow down on your curve. Don't come straight at me. You don't want to fall.
I almost like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just chilling. Yeah, just having fun. I Watching your sisters ride. We're watching our sisters. We got tatas. I'll back up. I'm trying to like disguise where we live. Yay! Figuring out a car seat. Juju, let me see your knee. What happened?
So when I was riding my bike, I fell off to the bump, like right there in the parking lot.
Oh no.
Like right over there by the shop coffee shop. And then I went over the hoop like right there, and then I fell. And
Bella, what did you do?
I hurt my leg.
You hurt your leg too. So just chilling. You say hi?
Mom, there's like a little tiny scratch right here.
Oh no.
You did point to strawberry though.
Strawberry.
Chocolate cake. What is this cake?
That's vanilla.
Ricky, it's a white cake.
You don't want to be facing me. You just want, you want to watch. She was ready to be done.
That's her, huh?
You have?
That's some baby shark.
Baby shark? One time. Stop. Here. When I was on TikTok, I saw this girl making a salad, and she cut up her kale or spinach or whatever she had. And while she was cutting it, she's like, you should always cut your lettuce because the human stomach cannot digest food like lettuce like this. It's not good for your stomach. And I was just like, if only something that we had in our body that was built in could help crunch food up so that our body could digest it. If only. That would be nice. I don't like to use the whole salt pack, so I just like, this is not salt, it's pepper. I use like half of it. Also, this is a salad kit. This is a bacon Caesar salad from Walmart.
Bullshit.
It's literally probably one of my favorite things to eat. Gotta get every last drop. Who's a dressing person? I'm like a sauce person. I hate when that happens, like when your hand slips and then it gets on your hand. I hate it. 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 I literally don't know where any of the forks in my house. Will you stop? I don't know where the forks are in my house. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat my salad and enjoy the rest of my night. Just wanted to stop in and tell you guys that we are all in this together. Happy 100 days to 100K. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting down below and joining my Facebook group and joining in on our Clubhouse chats. I love you. Thanks for being here. If you go to Walmart and you haven't had one of these, get one. They're delicious. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Have a wonderful night. Or day. Like, I don't know your life. I should know your life because you should be joining in. Anyway, bye.
Come on.